The last step of the 3-step methods, if you are having a troubleshooting with your crystal design, this baby will be your bestie on the station, and it will definitely back you up every single time. It's already double secure with the condensed glue gels and no wipe top coat. That is two bestie will going to anchor your crystal base down into the nails with like concrete. And then now you have a triple secure with yours precision glue gel. So now it's going to the edges right here because the clients are gonna be so enjoying it. And then, oh my god, Nancy, it's keep catching on my hair and my clothes. I love to get a crystal design, but it's not going to last for me and it keep bugging me. This will definitely rescue all that crystal design. So now keep in mind, you can definitely seal it more than one time. Make sure you are going to seal every time you feel scratchy, like you need to fill in. That's how much you need. Just a little go a long way. You don't want to squeeze it out like so much and then it going to flood your crystal. So first thing first, I am going to seal all of the beads. If you've seen that, I'm going to the beads and fill them to seal them, because in that way it's gonna not only double secure all the beads and frame. This one doesn't have a frame, but the first design we have the frames, so it's prevent from catching on anything on the clothes, hair, and anything the clients will be doing normal activity. But also it's going to prevent from getting tarnished, because we're washing our hand a lot of hand sanitizing, a lot of cleanings nowadays. So we want to make sure that they all protect with the precision glue gel, so then it's gonna last so much longer and then stay really nice color. So we are going to cure this one for 60 seconds.